What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today will be a pretty quick video, but it's a question I get every now and then, and it's Google Ads promo codes. So where to find them, how to get the best promo code, and basically how they work. So they're pretty straightforward, but if you go to, really the URL I always go to is ads.google.com. But if you go directly to this URL here, basically the Google Ads homepage, so not signed into your account or anything like that. If you go to really ads.google.com and scroll down, you'll see at the very halfway down the page, there's ad credits. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you're starting out fresh and you're like, all right, want to figure out how to get the best promo code because I'm planning to spend a lot on Google Ads, or I'm relaunching Google Ads in a new account, which there are rules about launching Google Ads in multiple accounts, so don't try to game the system because they will shut down your account. But if it's a case where, hey, we haven't ran ads for a while, we're going to launch ads. Basically, there are a few different offers here. The whole thing is how much you're going to spend within the first 60 days. So if you're going to spend way more than this, then go with the highest offer. If you're just testing the waters, then go with the lowest offer. A little secret I'll give you is in my actual agency account, my credits are actually a lot better. So I guess maybe they assume that I'm able to get accounts that are able to spend a lot more than this starting out. So the other one I just showed you is my non-agency Google Ads account, really the one I play around with tutorials. And this one is my agency account. So pretty much better ad credits if you spend more. Definitely some more upside. It makes me want to create an account and spend $5,200 to get my $2,600 in ad credit because I think I can make it pretty profitable for Surfside PPC. But this is how you get the promotion when you start. So you click on this, claim now. It's going to prompt you to set up your account. So if we go over here and we say claim now, it's going to bring me into the process of either adding it to one of my existing accounts, or what I'm going to do is create a new account. So new Google Ads account, it will apply that promotion to it. If you don't see that promotion afterwards, basically where you go is it's going to be your billing and promotions page. You could also just search at the very top bar and search promotions, but up there you'll see any of the active promotions that you have. If you go through that link, create your account, you will have a promotion there. There's generally promotional offers here, so the ones that are offered. If you have an account that's older, you haven't ran ads all that often, I have seen times where Google will actually give you a promotional offer within that existing account. So have seen, it's not often, but times where people are running ads and spending $10 a day, you're spending a small amount, and sometimes Google will say, hey, if you want to spend a little bit more, we'll give you a credit. And I think the whole goal is we want to get people spending more money on Google Ads to show that it works. So if you want a promo code, this is really how to do it. Go to ads.google.com. From there, scroll down. You can see all the different promotions they have. Click on the offer you want. Claim now. So you want to just claim now, and from there you'll have it added to your account, and you can go from there and start running your Google Ads. So if you have any questions about promo codes, please leave them in the comment section. If you're having trouble finding it, you may have to contact Google directly or speak directly to the Google Ads AI agent. They may be able to help out. But ultimately, it's one of those claim it. It'll be in your account. It'll be in your promotions. You'll see it. You need to spend that money within the first 60 days. And then the credit is actually applied about a month later. So it's not you immediately get the credit. It's spend it within the first 60 days. And then Google kind of has a period where they're is it valid? And then once it's validated, then you will have the ad credit in your account, and that ad credit will pay for your ads. So you have to plan with this, say, I am going to plan to spend a minimum of $12,000 in Google Ads. It's really the only way that it works. So again, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my videos, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.